Goofing off, what does it really mean? Hey there! Today, we're diving into a fun and informal English phrase that you might have heard or seen being used, especially in casual conversations. Ever wondered what goof off means? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, and how to use it like a native speaker. Goof off is a phrasal verb and typically consists of two words, goof and off. Individually, these words might not mean much, but together, they form a phrase with a unique meaning. Goof. This word can be used as a noun to describe someone who is clumsy or silly. As a verb, it's all about acting silly or playfully. Off. In many English phrasal verbs, off suggests a departure from the usual activity or behavior. When combined, goof off means to waste time or avoid doing work by engaging in frivolous or unproductive activities. To better grasp the phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Instead of studying for her exams, she spent the whole day goofing off with her friends. 2. If you keep goofing off at work, you might get in trouble with your boss. 3. I need a day to just goof off and watch movies. From these sentences, you can see that goof off can be used in various situations, but the core idea remains. Someone is not doing what they're supposed to, and instead, they're engaging in more enjoyable or leisurely activities. Understanding synonyms can give more depth to your understanding. Here are some synonyms for goof off. Slack off, to decrease in effort or intensity. Dawdle, to waste time or be slow. Procrastinate, to delay or postpone something. And that's it for today. Hopefully, you now have a clear understanding of what goof off means in English. Remember, while it's a fun phrase to use, it's also informal. So, use it in the right context. Thanks for tuning in, and happy learning! We hope this video has been both fun and educational for you.